Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to TCA Tuljai Career Academy Tuljapur. Today we are going to cover MVI Cracker MCQ Practice Series episode number 6. So first of all, I will request all of you, those who haven't subscribed to the TCA, please do subscribe. And one more request, please keep a notebook in front of you while you are watching the video, and since a question come in front of you, note down your own answer and then you can verify the answer through the video so that you can get your score after the end of video. And one more request is that you have to watch this video until the end. Now we will start for our series today. The first question in front of you is, entropy is a measure of dash dash, and the option number A, reversible heat transfer, option number B, system efficiency, option number C, degree of randomness, and option number D, system temperature. So guess your answer, write down in the notebook, and the correct option is answer number C, degree of randomness. Next question in front of you is, if a mass of moist air in an airtight vessel is heated to a higher temperature than dash dash, and the four options are: a specific humidity of the air increases, specific humidity of the air decreases, relative humidity of the air increases, relative humidity of the air decreases. And the correct option is answer number D, relative humidity of the air decreases. That is, if a mass of moist air in an airtight vessel is heated to a higher temperature, then the correct situation is relative humidity of the air will decrease. Question number 3 in front of you, the cavitation of a hydraulic machine is mainly due to dash dash, and the option number A, low velocity, B, low temperature, C, high velocity, and D, high pressure. And the correct option in front of you is option number B, low pressure. Next question, in a vapor absorption refrigeration system, which of the following fluids are commonly used? Option number A, air and water, option number B, sulfur dioxide and water, option number C, ammonia and water, and option number D, freon and water. Please note down your own answer in the notebook. You can pause the video also. Now the correct option in front of you is option number C, ammonia and water. Question number 5, throw of a cam is maximum distance of the follower from dash dash, and the option number A, base circle, option number B, pitch circle, option number C, root circle, D is prime circle, and the correct option is option number A, base circle. Next question in front of you is, the power transmitted by a belt is maximum when maximum tension in the belt compared to the centrifugal tension is dash dash. Guess from which topic this question comes. This is from the strength of material power transmission chapter. The option number A is 2 times, B 3 times, C 4 times, and D is 2.5 times. The correct option, please, I will request all of you, please note down your own answer and then you can verify, and the correct option is option number B, 3 times. The power transmitted by a belt is maximum when the maximum tension in the belt compared to the centrifugal tension is 3 times. Question number 7, the intensity of stress which causes unit strain is called dash dash. Unit stress, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity, modulus of elasticity, and hope you are writing your answer, and the correct option is option number D, modulus of elasticity. One more thing is that when the question is coming in front of you, you have to read out the question carefully, or you have to understand what question demands exactly, from which topic it comes and what knowledge is applied to here, and then you can answer or attempt the question carefully. I am going fast because time is most important thing. You can pause the video or you can slow down the speed and then watch, but my personal request is that when question comes in front of you, please try to read out the question, understand the meaning, understand the exact requirement, from which topic question is coming, apply your available knowledge, try the elimination method, and then you can get up to the correct answer within a accurate time frame, because time is also important while attempting the questions. And the correct option here is modulus of elasticity. Now the next question is, the increase in pressure dash dash lowers the boiling point of a liquid, raises the boiling point of a liquid, does not affect the boiling point of a liquid, and reduces its volume correct answer in front of you is answer number B, raises the boiling point of a liquid. And the question number 9, the atomic packing factor is the highest in which of the following cubic lattice system? This is the question from the metallurgy, that is engineering materials. And option number A, simple cubic, B, body centered cubic, BCC structure, C, face centered cubic, FCC structure, and D, diamond cubic. And the correct option is face centered cubic, FCC structure. The atomic packing factor is highest in which of the following cubic lattice system is face centered cubic structure. And the last question in today's episode is the maximum combustion pressure in a gas turbine as compared to the IC engine is dash dash. Correct option, option number A, more, B, less, C, same, and D, depends on the factors. I will read the question once again. The maximum combustion pressure in gas turbine as compared to IC engine is dash dash, more, less, same, depends on other factors. Please write down your own answer and then verify what is the correct answer. And the correct option in front of you, option number B, less. Maximum combustion pressure is less in gas turbine as compared to the IC engine, internal combustion engine. Okay, thank you for watching this episode, and this is the most important episode. I am taking efforts for you. This will be useful for the other technical exams as well. If you are watching this regularly, you can share among your friends. If you are liking this video, please do like. If there is a mistake in some MCQ, you can correct it on your side, and please excuse me for that. Once again, I will request all of you, those who haven't subscribed to DCA, please do subscribe, because in upcoming period I will be taking such kind of videos. And right now we will end up the discussion and we will meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.